Hello, guys, welcome to Hackpedia. Today I will teach you how to solve Emdee 5 for life challenge and to capture the flag. In this tutorial, I will give you a brief introduction about various tools and techniques I used. So without wasting time, let's start the video. This is the link where we have to perform the task, or we can copy this link and paste into a new tab. This will redirect us to another site. MD5 encrypt this string. Here we will get a decrypt code, which we have to encrypt and paste in the given box. There were many sites that encrypt/decrypt MD5 code. You can do this task on any site. Oops, here we get an error. Let's see what is written in inspect element. Oh, this is HTML code. And in the whole code, H3 tag is the main part of the code. Now we have to prepare a code that will self-encrypt the code and paste in MD5 encrypt this string site to get hackthebox flag. For this, I am using Google Colab, which is a web-based Python. Import requests package and assigns URL of MD5. Encrypt this string site to URL variable and start the session. Here we will get all the codes on that site. Now we have to filter only HTML code. For this we have to import Beautiful Soup tool. We only need H3 tags, so filter it again. We only need H3 tags, so filter it again. Then store the extracted data in a new variable. Now the time for encrypting data. To encrypt data, do the same as I am doing. As I told you before, we have to write code that is self-encrypt and self-passed in the search box. Congregate, we did it. If we see this generated output in text mode, then we will discover the flag which we want. Now copy this flag and paste it in hackthebox site where Emdee for Life challenge in running. For more walkthrough tutorials, join Pedia. We will keep updating you. You can visit our channel to learn about ethical hacking. Now it's time for goodbye. See you guys in the next tutorial.